He's on.
I'm sure Stuart thinks it's fine.
What are you shooting, Gary? What's that gun called?
SMK Victory.
An SMK Victory. Gary's shooting into the woods. A what?
PCP rifle.
PCP rifle. And his directional aim is into the woods. Go. You see the woods. And he keeps hitting the targets.
That's what we pellet gun. Pellet gun.
There it goes.
See if we can get a spin.
He's going for the spinner.
The zips come off. I need to put him back on. So that never. Right, yes. Really good.
Could hear that spinner going there, Gary? You hit the spinner. There we go, Gary, with his rifle again, his PCP.
Well, you'll be shooting this one shortly, I think.
And then he's going round to shoot into the woods.
Shooting down the target to shoot.
There we go. Well done, Gary. Hit the target, he
Right,
did.
Deborah.
Here we have Gary with another gun.
It's a Hatsan 900X. Great barrel.
Now he's loading the gun with the pellets. Taking them into the woods. Yes, and I heard that he hit his target. Well done, Gary. Loading again. He's going to go do another one. Yes,
Spinner.
and you could hear the spinner go there. That's the
I
range.
think that's about 20 yards.
At 20 yards, he hit it well. Right. Time and patience. To focus on these. There we go, that's brilliant. Another one hit.
Okay.
Now Gary's got his pistol out.
So this is the Diana Bandit PCP pistol.
Now Gary's,
M177 with the red dot sight on it.
he's loading his pellets into the gun now.
Turn the sight on. There we go.
What are you aiming for, Gary?
Just this close little metal disc.
Right, okay.
Although it's very difficult to see it with. Might have to turn. Hang on.
What are you doing?
Just turn it brightness at dot down because it's obscuring target.
Right.
Right, there it goes.
Fantastic.
Fight that one up.
Well, I heard it hit metal, but I don't know what sort of metal. Load it again,
I'm just going to shoot at one of these metal discs to hopefully see where it's hitting.
and if you just have to turn the camera around, you can see the range that we're at. Back to Gary's shooting. Definitely heard it clink on something there, Gary.
Just sounds a bit puny this compared with rifles.
Load it again. Very good.
I think that was a miss.
Yeah,
Okay.
fantastic. fantastic. Here we are with, this is Gary with the Diana Chaser.
I have to put a gas cylinder in it first.
Yeah, and he's going to put the gas cylinder in now.
Put a drop of silicone oil on that.
What does that do, Gary?
It'll prolong the life of the seal.
Right. So in goes the cylinder.
Didn't even hear it hiss then. Should have done.
Let's see if it's working then.
So it's basically the same as that one, but it
Yeah.
works off a little CO2 cylinder now than a PCP.
Right.
Right, so it's in live now.
Wow. Yeah, could hear it hitting the target. Well done, Gary. Quite quickly. Reloads it. Bang. Nice one, Gary.
There you go.